everyone, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button and also the notification bell down below so that you'll never miss another upload. In today's video, I did want to talk a little bit about the blowout lotions that I've been trying out. Now, I did mention in a previous video that I really did enjoy the LottaBody blowout lotion. That one works perfectly, but there were two other ones that I picked up, so I wanted to kind of do a comparison of each blowout lotion on each section of my hair just to get a good idea of which one I like the best. So I did divide my hair into 3 sections in order to test out each product, which is really exciting. So let's go ahead and jump right into the video. So the first one that I picked up is going to be the Mielle. It's the Mongongo Oil Thermal and Heat Protectant Spray. So this one's going to basically protect hair from effects of heat, of course, because it's a heat protectant. It's also going to provide intense heat defense and curl pattern protection, which we all love if we're safely trying to heat train our hair. And also it's going to be safe for all high heat styles. So I really enjoyed using this one. And by the way, all of these are affordable. They're all probably, I believe these are all under 10 bucks if I can remember. And it has a really great smell. Really light. Kind of like a floral scent, but it's super duper light, super duper pleasant. So what I like about the Mielle is that it left my hair really soft, as well as frizz free, which I love, and it definitely did its job. And yeah, I would highly recommend the Mielle Heat Protectant Spray. So the second one that I did try out is going to be the one from Creme of Nature. It's the Argan Oil from Morocco Smooth and Shine Blowout Cream. So what this one's going to provide, it's going to protect hair up to 450 degrees. It's going to provide shine. It's going to smooth and control frizz. It's basically going to leave your hair with body. It is super duper lightweight and it improves manageability. So what I found with this one is that it's kind of like, it has a sticky residue of some sort, which I didn't like. That's one thing I didn't like. The other thing I didn't like is that it is super duper fragrant. Like, I don't like things to be overly fragrant. Did it get the job done? Yes. My hair felt soft. It was frizz free. I mean, it basically looked and felt the same as the Mielle. Like, my hair didn't look any different. It didn't really feel any different. Like, even though the formulation of the product was a little sticky, like rubbing it into my hands and putting it into my hair, it didn't, after I blow dry my hair, I didn't feel like my hair was sticky. So it did do its job. I just, you know, those few little things I didn't like about it, like the fragrance and the stickiness of the product. So the last one that I've tried, and I've tried this one before, and I did mention it in previous videos, it is going to be the LottaBody with coconut and shea oils. It's the Sleek Me Blowout Lotion. So what this one's going to do, it's going to protect your hair up to 450 degrees. It defies humidity and frizz. It detangles and adds shine. So I really enjoy the LottaBody. This is probably my favorite out of the 3. I can't judge it yet on the humidity and frizz claim just because it's wintertime right now, but when the spring, summer months come, I will let you know on that part. Definitely helps to kind of like detangle my hair as well. They all basically lived up to their claims, but the LottaBody would have to be my favorite. So if you're looking for a good blowout lotion, I would recommend LottaBody, the Mielle, and then the Creme of Nature. And just another note with all of these blowout lotions, just make sure that you are following directions and you're using like what the directions say to use. Don't overuse it. Don't put like a ton of product in your hair because your silk press is going to be super duper weighed down, oily and greasy, because all 3 of these products do have natural oils in them. Another thing that I love is that none of them have mineral oil. They're all really good ingredients. So just make sure that you're using probably like a dime size to quarter size amount so that your silk press comes out really nice and really flowy and lightweight and not weighed down. So that's pretty much it for today's video. If anybody has any recommendations on any other blowout creams or lotions or blowout sprays that you've been using that you want to recommend to anybody else, be sure to leave that in the comment section down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.